Why do women find bad boys like Tyler Durden, Andrew Tate, and Lucifer so irresistible? This question has piqued the curiosity of many for ages. The allure of the bad boy persona is a complex phenomenon that's deeply rooted in human psychology. Bad boys, as they are often called, are typically characterized by their rebelliousness, unpredictability, and aloofness. They're not afraid to push boundaries and break rules. They're confident, self-assured, and unapologetically themselves. And there's just something about this raw, unrefined energy that seems to draw women in like a moth to a flame. Consider Tyler Durden, the charismatic yet anarchistic character from Fight Club. His free-spirited nature and disregard for societal norms make him an intriguing figure. He's not the guy you'd bring home to meet your parents, but his magnetic personality is undeniably attractive. Then we have Andrew Tate, four-time world champion kickboxer, entrepreneur, and self-proclaimed bad boy. His confidence is palpable, his ambition is unwavering, and his success is undeniable. Though some may see him as arrogant or egotistical, there's no denying his ability to capture attention and command respect. Last but not least, we have Lucifer, the charming and witty fallen angel from the TV series Lucifer. Despite his devilish origins, his charisma, intelligence, and sense of humor make him a captivating character. His bad boy charm is only amplified by his supernatural abilities and his complex, multifaceted personality. These characters embody the archetype of the bad boy. They're intriguing, they're exciting, and they're undeniably attractive. But what is it about these characteristics that women find so appealing? Is it the thrill of the unknown? The allure of danger? Or perhaps the allure of a challenge? Well, the answers may not be as straightforward as they seem. The attraction to bad boys is multifaceted and deeply rooted in our psychological makeup. It's a combination of biological instincts, societal influences, and individual preferences. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the psyche of these fascinating characters and their irresistible charm. On the other side of the coin, we have the good boys, but why don't they generate the same level of attraction? Let's delve into the realm of the quintessential good boys. Picture them. They are well-mannered, respectful, and reliable. They exhibit kindness, they avoid confrontation, and they play by the rules. They are the ones who do their best to please others, to avoid stepping on toes. They are the ones who, by all societal standards, should be the ideal pick, right? Yet, we often find that these good boys don't seem to generate the same level of attraction as their bad boy counterparts. Why is that? Well, it could be a multitude of reasons. One potential reason is predictability. Good boys are often seen as predictable, safe. There's a certain comfort in knowing what to expect, but this predictability can also lead to a lack of excitement, a lack of mystery. And let's face it, mystery is a powerful attractor. Another reason might be the lack of challenge. Good boys are often eager to please, ready to comply, which can unintentionally dim their own light. This might make them appear less confident, less assertive. And let's be honest, confidence is attractive. Then there's the element of rebellion. Bad boys often exude a rebellious aura, a sense of freedom from societal norms. This can be incredibly appealing, as it symbolizes a break from the routine, a taste of the unconventional. Lastly, we can't overlook the potential influence of media and popular culture. We're constantly bombarded with narratives that romanticize the bad boy, the rebel, the rule breaker. This can subtly shape our perceptions, making us more inclined towards the bad boy archetype. However, it's important to note that these are generalizations and not every woman is attracted to the same qualities. Attraction is a complex interplay of factors, and what's attractive to one might not be to another. It's clear that there's more to this than meets the eye. Let's uncover the psychology behind it. What is it about bad boys that triggers such a strong emotional response? Psychology plays a significant role in our attractions, and it's fascinating to delve into the question of why bad boys often seem to have a magnetic appeal. The traits associated with these rebellious figures can be quite compelling, and when we understand the psychological factors at play, the allure of the bad boy becomes clearer. For starters, bad boys often exhibit high levels of confidence. They are unapologetically themselves, and this authenticity can be very attractive. In a world where many people hide behind masks, the bravado of a bad boy can be quite refreshing. Another trait that draws people to bad boys is their independence. They dance to the beat of their own drum, and their disregard for societal norms can be intriguing. This independence can create a sense of mystery and unpredictability, which can heighten attraction. Bad boys also often display a strong sense of adventure and risk-taking. They're not afraid to push boundaries or to step out of their comfort zones. This can create excitement and a sense of living on the edge, which can be very appealing. Moreover, bad boys often embody the classic dark triad traits of narcissism, Machiavellianism, and psychopathy. While these traits are generally negative, they can create a potent cocktail of charm, manipulation, and thrill that can be hard to resist. It's also worth noting that attraction to bad boys can be influenced by evolutionary psychology. Historically, males who displayed bold, dominant behavior were often more successful in securing resources and protecting their families, so some of this attraction could be rooted in our ancient survival instincts. Of course, this doesn't mean that all women are attracted to bad boys or that all bad boys possess these traits. Attraction is a complex interplay of many factors, including personal preferences, cultural influences, and individual experiences. The allure of the bad boy, it seems, lies deep within our psychology. Let's take a closer look at our case subjects: Tyler Durden, Andrew Tate, and Lucifer. Starting with Tyler Durden, the charismatic and rebellious alter ego from Fight Club, we see a character who lives life on his own terms. He's unpredictable, he's exciting, and he's unapologetically himself. Tyler's allure lies in his freedom from societal norms and expectations, a freedom many women find appealing. He's a rebel with a cause, a man who refuses to be tamed, and that wildness is a magnet for attraction. Moving on, we have Andrew Tate, four-time world kickboxing champion and self-proclaimed emperor, embodying the ultimate alpha male persona. His confidence is unshakable, his ambition is unquenchable, and his dominance is undeniable. Andrew's charm lies in his unabashed pursuit of excellence and power. He's a winner, a leader, a man who won't settle for second best, a trait that makes him a beacon of desire for many women. And then we have Lucifer, the devil himself, from the TV series Lucifer. Despite being the embodiment of evil, Lucifer's charisma is irresistible. His wicked sense of humor, his intelligence, and his devil-may-care attitude make him a captivating character. Lucifer's allure stems from his dark charm and his ability to embrace his flaws. He's a devil with a heart, a man who is unafraid to show his vulnerabilities, a quality that can be incredibly attractive. Each of these characters in their own unique way personifies the bad boy archetype. They're confident, they're assertive, they're not afraid to break the rules. These traits, while sometimes controversial, contribute significantly to their attractiveness. They represent a sense of danger, a thrill of the unknown, a break from the monotony, elements that can stir up intense attraction. These characters, it seems, embody the quintessential bad boy that women find so irresistible. But is it all about being bad, or is there a balance to be struck? Now that's a question worth pondering. Let's take a dive into the idea of balance. While it's true that the bad boy allure is quite potent, it's also important to remember that too much of anything can be detrimental. Being excessively bad can lead to consequences that aren't necessarily attractive. After all, there's a fine line between being intriguingly rebellious and downright destructive. Think about the bad boy with a heart of gold trope. It's a common narrative in movies and books, and for good reason. This character is often rebellious, charismatic, and exciting, but also has a softer side that reveals a kind, compassionate heart. This balance makes them irresistibly attractive. They're not just bad boys, they're complex characters with layers of depth. This concept of balance can be seen in reality too. It's about embodying the right amount of confidence, assertiveness, and independence associated with the bad boy persona, but also displaying kindness, respect, and consideration, the qualities of a good boy. It's about being adventurous and spontaneous, but also being responsible and reliable when it counts. It's like a dance, really. A dance between the yin and the yang, the good and the bad. It's about knowing when to lead and when to follow, when to push and when to pull. It's about understanding that being bad doesn't mean being disrespectful or harmful, and being good doesn't mean being passive or boring. The bad boy and the good boy aren't mutually exclusive. They're two sides of the same coin, two aspects of the same person, and it's this balance, this dance, that creates a magnetic pull. It's not about being a bad boy or a good boy, it's about being a balanced boy. Perhaps the answer lies not in being entirely bad or good, but in finding the right balance. After all, isn't balance what makes life interesting and full of surprises? So why are bad boys so attractive to women? In our exploration, we've discovered that the allure of the bad boy is a mix of psychological intrigue and societal conditioning. These characters like Tyler Durden, Andrew Tate, and Lucifer embody traits that are often seen as exciting and unpredictable. However, we've also recognized the importance of balance. acknowledging that the good boy has his own unique appeal. At the end of the day, the allure of the bad boy is a complex interplay of psychology, character traits, and societal norms. But one thing's certain, they're here to stay.